Hello there folks, this is Keith again. Today we're travelling to
take the next left onto Long Bank, A456.
You can see the old sat-nav telling me where I need to go. Right. So the whole point of today is that I'm going out with the guns,
on A456
doing a bit of practice,
1 mile.
Getting the guns how I feel about them. Right, so a little bit of review of Furnace Mill as well. I mean, what I will say straight away is that I am a member of Furnace Mill, and I've got, and I'm also represent them in the team. So I'll try to be unbiased, but difficult not to be biased a little bit. Yeah, as it is a place where I represent. The joys of all this is today that we've just finished the UKA HFT, where I've somehow managed to scrape, and by that I mean scrape, second place in the sticks competition overall by 0.06%, which is tiny win, but it's all good. I'm really pleased with that. Got the gathering coming at Furnace Mill in a couple of weeks' time, which is going to be interesting. 40 target HFT course, and I know that Ed will set something pretty challenging for everybody, so we'll see how that goes. So all in all, like I say, today is literally just a go and practice. I won't be learning anything about the gathering because it'll be a completely different course. I'll see you at Furnace Mill. Furnace Mill.
Take the next right. In 200 yards, you will arrive at your destination.
Right, so here we are at Furnace Mill. Up there you've got, that's the very lovely chalet, which is where the cafe is and everything. Ed and Jane do all their stuff. You can be a member here. It costs £45 a year. Then if you want to shoot, it's £6 a time. Then guests can shoot here, but they must come with a member, and that costs £10 a shot. Not a shot, but a time. We'll pass these beautiful fishing lakes. Really something. So I had to go back up to the car, so that's my bag. Right, so we're going to go up the hill. Now, if you are a little ably challenged, I think the right phrase is nowadays, this hill's a bit of a killer. It kills me every time. To save you from my puffing and puffing, I'll stop there. Right, so I made it to the top of the hill. I said, bumped into a couple of old friends. Well, not old, obviously. No. So we have the lovely Jill McNabb.
Hello, good morning.
Right, and Jill is one of the top lady shooters in the country, without doubt. You can look embarrassed all you want.
Okay, thank you.
And how did you end up with the UK HFTs?
So I came 14th, so there are about 120 shooters. I'm in the Open now since I won the ladies last year, and I'm quite pleased at that.
Right. And any other successes this year?
Yes, I am the ladies world champion.
Look at that modesty as well. Right, a brains, beauty, and a dead shot.
Thank you very much.
Right, I'll see you around soon in a minute.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Thanks, Jill. Also up here is good old Trevor. Hello, Trevor.
Good morning.
Right. Trev is shooting. What are you shooting now?
I'm shooting a Star Challenge.
Right. And where else? You're a bit of a Springer king as well now, aren't you?
Yes, I've shot the TX200 this morning. It's an ultimate Springer. Quite expensive, but a wonderful gun. Short strokes, of course.
Short stroke, of course. Yeah. Did you do that yourself?
I did, yes. Yeah.
See, I can't take them apart. Me, I'm terrified too.
It's good for your mind. It's good for your sense of self. The fact that you can do it yourself is a good thing.
Yeah, but I'm terrified that we might go back together. There's always a bit left over when I do it.
You're doing something wrong there, definitely. You have to send it to me.
Oh, that's okay. I don't shoot Springers, so I won't do that. Right. Well, have a good shoot today, mate.
Cheers. Thank you.
Got blinking range, which is an excellent blinking range. You name a target, you can find it on there. It goes right out to, I think it goes out to 55 yards. Right, so yeah, lots going on up here. There's a mini course just here, which is just a little mini practice course. So and then we go on to the full course, which I'm going to go on to now. 2 courses set up by Ed, so let's go see what's what. Alright, so here's one stander, which goes off into the bush over there. Yeah, we'll see what we can do with that. So obviously I'm shooting off sticks, so I have to end up putting my sticks in some strange bits. I've got things set up quite high. It's a supported stander, but obviously I'm on the sticks here. It'd be very difficult for me to get any support off this. What we're doing today, we're trying the Rapid, and I'm trying it with JSP Heavies, which is a very different pellet for me. Let's see if I got this right. Oh, that was me. That was just me squeezing the trigger rather than actually aiming at the target. Okay, that went low. I think it should have gone that low. Okay, we'll see how the rest of these go. I think it's there in the thing. Quite a close one. I don't know what the range for that one is. 1.5 about. Just like that. Okay, target 3. Now I'm not going to do this for every target because it's just going to be boring for you and for me. I reckon that's about 35 yards. That worked. Another close-ish one. I think that's a 20mm kill. 20 yards. There we go. Actually, no, my 15 has changed, so it's there. It went down. Stop. Okay, right, so I'm 10 in and I'm 4 down. Mostly shots at the moment, but we'll see. I think that it's just me getting used to the new pellets and just where my 40 yard is. I've got it about there. That's my from Chairgun, my cheat sheet. Right. At the moment it's a cheat, because I'm not getting 40 quite where that's saying. So I'll keep going and see where we get to. There we go. Right, so this is peg 11. Another close one. I'm just recording these ones because the GoPro Pro can actually pick these ones up. Quite blurry in the scope, but it's a big old kill. So I'm reckoning that's about 15 yards. I'll be reckoning wrong. A bit less than that, about 18. Or I've actually got my wrong aim pointing. It's 15 yards is a different aim point now. Right, so still learning. Right, so I'll try to set this up so it's pretty much in line with what my guns do. 15mm kill, which I hate. Right, and they can be 15 yards out to 25 yards. I ain't switched that in 25. So there. Right, so that's the important one to remember. 15-yard kill is not where I thought it was. So that puts me 6 down from 16. I'll check in again in a bit. And so this one's a nice long one. I reckon about 10 yards, nice big kill on it. I don't think it's as close as 8. Well, it might be as far as 8. So I've got a theory. If I put between my 8 and 10 in, so 10 is 1.5, 8 is 2.5. So if I put my 2 in the middle, it should give me both the kill zones. And it does. Yay! I'll try and zoom in later, but there is a target and directly behind is the target. That's why it's really important to pull the strings, because you're never sure which one it is. Now I pulled the string, it's the first one, which is a duck. So see if we can hit that in a sec. Yeah, I didn't get the duck. Right, so my and everything said it was 40 yards, and so for some reason I decided to shoot at 35. But at least I shot the right target. Right, another close one, another duck. Right, let's see what we can do with this. I particularly like these close ones. I reckon it's about 13 yards. I had everything from my 12 to my 18 in there, so one of them was going to hit. If I can get it to zoom in, which it is. Again, we're going here, and you see there's the 2 targets. Now, I've already shot one, which is the duck at the front. The duck at the front, so I've got to go for the one at the back. Right, tricky shot, but again, checking the strings, make sure you're shooting the right one. Right, so I'm 25 targets in, and I'm 8 shots down. This is mostly because getting used to the thing, doing this recording as well puts you off a little bit. And just like Phil, I've got no mates. Right, shooting down on my own today. Right, but yeah, the rapid's working really nicely with these pellets. Right, so it's just a case of, I'll just watch my thing slip down a bit. Right, so it's just a case now of just keeping going with it. So I'll report back in when I've hit number 30. Right, finished on a 40 yarder and finished 8 down. So 52, that's not too bad. I would hope to do a bit better than that really. So what Ed's done here is set up a course going back down to the plinking range, past Trevor there. Right, and then course B, and from here all the way around to the edge of the corner. I'm not going to record both courses, so they're fun, they're interesting, quite challenging in places. So come on up to Furnace and give it a go. Right, so time with you guys sometime later. This is Keith J23, Keith Jones, Pellet and Target podcast, Airgun forums, and whatever else you want to do at Furnace Mill, Fisheries, and Airgun range. Come for it. It's a great day out. You've got 2 good courses to shoot, all right, and a really big plinking range. Right, so catch you later, guys. Oh, and they do a really, really good bacon and egg butty.